Hi, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. For this video, I'd like to share with you the 2 cards that I'm offering my Paper Pumpkin customers for free when they subscribe to Paper Pumpkin for that month. So I usually offer 1 card and then provide the supplies for them to make that card 2 times. So I thought this time it would be fun if I provided 2 different ideas to do with the same supplies. So you can see this one uses a card base, a card front that are both in white, and then a strip of pumpkin pie, and we've got some gorgeous grape, and then we've used this stamp set from the Paper Pumpkin kit along with the ink. So this just gives my Paper Pumpkin customers an opportunity to continue to use the supplies that come in the kit once they've created all of the treat boxes. So this one's a really fun one, really cute. You've got some different skeletons that are kind of peeking out around the greeting. So let's go ahead and start with this one, and I'll show you how I made that. Okay, so go ahead and grab your gorgeous grape Stampin' Spot and the 2 skeletons that come in this stamp set with the Paper Pumpkin kit. And we're just going to go ahead and start stamping. So just kind of keep in mind where you want your greeting, and then you can stamp your skeletons around that greeting. So with my greeting here, and I want this little guy peeking out from underneath, there we go. And then this guy. And then I've got one hanging off the bottom. So I'm going to grab just a scrap paper really quick and add that to the bottom. And then just have him waving hello at the bottom there. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and you're going to grab one of the 1-inch circles and we're going to stamp in that trick or treat. Okay, so our stamping for that one is done. And we can just add the other elements. So you're just going to take one of the orange strips, and I think I'm going to send them to you already punched on one side. But if you are making this, then it's really easy to use this triple banner punch and just punch out a little flag. We'll do both of those right now. Okay, so then this just gets adhered to your card. I'm going to bring it down just a little bit, maybe a little bit more. There. Okay. And then in your kit you also will have 16 inches of white baker's twine. And you're just going to wrap that around your hand. And then you're going to find the middle and you're twisting. And then add some snail and put that middle on that 1 1/4 inch square. Okay, so then add some dimensionals in the corners. And that just gets placed in the middle like that. And then you get a dimensional for your circle. And put that in the center. Okay, and then you would just add this to your card base like that, and you'd have your card. Great, so let's go ahead and do the second one. So this one uses an extra stamp set, the little skull, and then the Happy Halloween greeting. So it's very similar. And you're just stamping on the left side of your paper. And your skeletons are at full strength. Sometimes it's hard to know where exactly to place them so that you have enough room to put everything you want on the card. Okay, so next we're going to use the little skeleton. But this time we're going to stamp off and then on. And what this does is it gives us a lighter purple. And this is just random, wherever there is an opening or a space that you'd like to add this little skeleton, skull and crossbones. All right, so there. Our stamping is done, and let's go ahead and do on our last circle, let's do a Happy Halloween. And just do that in the middle. So let's assemble this card. It's very similar to our last one. We've got our card front. This time this is going in the middle, and you can kind of like move it around so that you're not covering up anyone's head. So that just gets added with some snail. And then we're going to do the same thing with the 16 inches of twine, or excuse me, white baker's thread. Just wrap that around. You can do 3 fingers or 4 fingers, however you want. And lay that down, and then add some dimensionals in the corners. And that just gets centered. And then you're going to do the same with your greeting. You can do that at an angle if you'd like. There. And then you're just going to add that to your card base, and you're all done. If you would like to subscribe and be one of my Paper Pumpkin customers and receive these free cards in the mail, use the link below to sign up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Visit creativechelsea.com for more information about Paper Pumpkin and to start getting your monthly kit. Have a creative day. Bye.